You're watching this video right now because you're looking for new revenue streams this year. And everything you've tried from Turo, single family real estate, Airbnb, drop shipping, stocks, you name it, none of those things have worked. And it's not because of what you think. It's actually the exact opposite. And I'm excited to share with you in this video how you can make 6 and 7 figures in cash flow with a high income business model that most people are missing out.
I've been in the business 9 years. Commercial real estate investor. See, most of us, we losing our own blessings because we want to get the whole pie. We want 100% of nothing.
I got business, credit, real estate. Got some assets on the market from recession up to date. I got business, credit, real estate.
Yo, I need to become more effective in less time. If it takes you 30 years to do something, I need to do it in 5. I'm not trying to wait time 30, 40 years in to retire, get a pension, then go get a second job and now work. No, I'm not doing it.
Funding for the business with a lower interest rate. I got
Get your LLC, you gon' need an EIN. You get verified online, a few more steps, you be right in. Get your headset in the game, we gon' need you to buy in. Execution is the loophole with the strings that we tie in.
Hey family, it's Ramel New Worlds, the Self-Storage King. I am back, and this video is going to change everything for you this year. I'm going to share with you a business model that is in high demand. And in this economy right now, where a lot of people are losing their jobs, a lot of people are hurting, you want to ensure that you have a skill set that's in demand. And right now, there's a deep demand for credit, funding, and acquisitions and consulting. And I want to share with you how you can become a financial services playmaker and make 6 and 7 figures in any market, in any economy, regardless of what's going on, recession-proof skill sets. All right. So make sure you get your pen, get your pad, take the notes, because this is what you want to really, really lock into. And the cool thing about what I'm going to share with you is you don't need a ton of education, right? You don't need a high school diploma. You don't need a college degree. You don't need a bunch of licenses and things like that. All you need is the will. All you need is the drive, the desire, the discipline to do the work, because I'm going to break down the skills for you, right? I'm going to show you how to do it. You just need to be able to do the work. So I just want to make that very clear, because no matter where you are in your life, this is a business model that can generate you high profits. And that's what wealth building is about, right? You want to be in a business that where you can make high profit margins and you don't have to penny pinch. All right. So this is really what I want to share with you. And it's called our Mailbox Millionaire Wealth Building Blueprint. This is what we call our financial services playmakers, right? The individuals that's really gonna take this lion's share of the marketplace when it comes to finances. So in this video, I'm going to share my screen really quick, and I'm going to break down what it looks like to operate with our Mailbox Millionaire Wealth Building Blueprint. All right. So let's get into it. Here's our Mailbox Millionaire Wealth Building Blueprint. Now, this right here is a 4-step process, and I'm going to go step by step. The very first step in our Mailbox Millionaire Wealth Building Blueprint is capital mastery. You need to be able to master how to get access to capital from all angles. In our mentorship program, we share over 100 ways to go get access to capital, right? Whether it's for you or someone else, you need to know how to unlock the bag. So for example, right, we have business credit card stacking. And I do have a video. If you go and you check the past videos where I go and I break down business credit card stacking, how you can apply for a series of credit cards strategically based upon which credit reporting agency they pull from. So you can go and get $250,000 in funding with business credit card stacking. You also have business lines of credit, and we call this double dipping, where you can now at the same bank apply for a line of credit as well with the same inquiry. For example, you have PNC Bank, right? You have Key Bank, right? You have M&T Bank. These are all banks that you can now apply for business lines of credit in addition to the business credit cards and get more money with the same inquiry. We also want to understand how to go get grant funding. This is also some of the things that we teach. We have a grant writing course inside of our community. right? You have CDFI loans, which is community development financial institutions that are government-backed loans for businesses that don't have the best credit, but if you can lay out the right story and you have a great demand for your products, you can get approved for CDFI loans. These are nonprofit organizations that are sponsored by big banks, right? This is huge. And then you also have SBA funding. And most people think about SBA, they know about EIDL loans, right? Well, it's more than just that. You have SBA micro loans, you have SBA express loan, SBA 7A loan, SBA 504 loan. So we teach you multiple ways to just master capital, right? That's what we call capital mastery. That's going to be step one, all right? So step one is that. Now we're going to bring it to step two. Step two is once you've mastered being able to get yourself funded, knowing how to apply, knowing what the data points are, you now are going to start your six-figure funding agency. This is where the big profits come in, where you start to create cash. Okay, this is where you bring in the money. So what's going to happen is this is going to be you, person A, and you have all of the strategies to go and get money from the banks because you know capital mastery. So you're going to go to these banks and you're going to build relationships with the banking reps, right? We call relationship banking managers. You're going to create relationships with them, and we teach you and we give you scripts on how to go and build relationships with banking relationship managers. And then you have business owners right here that want to get access to capital, but they don't know how. They don't know how to get the money because they don't have the strategy that you have. So what you do is create a funding contract between person A, which is you, and person B, which is the client, who has a business and needs funding. And you're going to agree to help them get access to funding, but you're going to charge them a 10% success fee. So if you get them approved for $250,000, you're going to get a $25,000 payout. $250,000 in approvals is a $25,000 payout for you. So this is what you start a funding agency. So just do some math. Let's just say that you get 5 people funded $250,000 a month. That's $25,000 each client. You times that by 5, you can actually go out there and make $125,000 a month. That's over $1 million a year just getting 5 people funded $250,000, and you know how to do it because we teach you our capital mastery strategy. So everything here is what you're going to utilize to go get your clients funded, right? That is why we call this a step-by-step blueprint, because you must master number 1 before you can get the number 2. So now you start to generate active income, right? Active income is when you have to actively find leads, you build rapport, and you go and you provide that service. The next thing that we want to do is turn our active income into passive income. This is where we start to build true wealth, because the goal is to make money in our sleep, not on our feet. That's the way to build wealth. So, hey, what is our active income, the passive income? Well, our active income is at $125,000 a month that we're making with our funding agency, but we're now going to utilize this $125,000 a month, right? All of this money that we're bringing in to go buy already existing cash flowing businesses that generate passive income. So that's why I love self-storage, and this is what we teach inside our mentorship. You can actually buy a car wash, right? This is what we teach in our mentorship. You can actually buy a laundromat. So these are the types of businesses that you can buy, and you're utilizing the cash that you're making from here to go and buy these businesses to generate more cash flow in your sleep, right? Or you can utilize the funding that you get up here, right? The funding that you get up here in order to go in creatively buy those cash flow business. But the ultimate goal is to be able to get passive income. So we have to actively work our way to passive income. Now, this is going to lead us to the 4th step, which this is the game changer here. This is when you build a financial services agency where you add on multiple services when it comes to finance. Because a lot of these clients, a lot of your clients that you're getting funding here, right? These clients right here that you're getting funding, they now need support reinvest in that funding. They need support with the strategies on how to grow that funding. So you're going to now incorporate what we call acquisition consulting, right? Acquisition consulting is a business model where you can make 5, 6, 7 figures a month helping business owners buy other businesses because you have the strategies and we teach you how to get deal flow. We teach you how to create strategic partnerships and you can make 6 to 7 figures consulting other business owners to buy cash flowing businesses like self-storage, car washes, laundromats. Not only that, this is what we call our value ladder. All right? This is what we call our value ladder. So not only do we have acquisition consulting as a way we're going to generate that revenue, right? We're also going to make money with insurance. So you can create affiliate partnerships with people that sell insurance. So if you need insurance on your business, you can now offer these individuals to get insurance on their business and get paid a commissions. You can also set them up with life insurance and get paid a commission. So you don't have to get the insurance license yourself. All you need is a partner. And this is how we break this stuff down and we teach you how to get partners. We actually connect you with partners so that you can provide more services. The more services you can offer, the more money you can make because you're solving more problems. Not only that, you can actually offer taxes, right? Tax services. And again, this is going to be through partnerships. You don't need to necessarily do this on your own, but you're going to create partnerships with people who provide tax services and get paid commissions, right? You're also going to work with people that offer bookkeeping, right? So bookkeeping, you're going to offer bookkeeping and get paid commissions, all through strategic partnerships, right? This is how we build this out. So now you have multiple streams of income in this financial services agency through consulting, insurance, taxes, bookkeeping. You could also offer business formation. This is where you assist these individuals with forming more businesses and being compliant. Again, this can be a partner. You don't need to actually do this yourself because you don't want to be over leveraged, but this is how we build an agency. So when you think about the biggest companies in the world, right? Let's think about Uber. Uber, they are just the hub. They're not the person that's actually driving. See, Uber has strategic partnerships with the everyday individual. This is the everyday individual, and also have partnerships with these everyday individuals that need rides, right? So this person needs a ride, and then this person is the driver. Well, Uber is the person that connects these individuals and gets paid in between. That is how it works. Just think about Amazon, right? Amazon is another one that does this. This is the business model that you need to be aware of. So you have the person that is the retailer, right? That's selling the services. And then you have the customers that's buying, right? Customer. Well, when they trade, Amazon gets paid in the middle. So all you're doing is just duplicating these same business models and you are helping connect people to services and getting paid for it, right? So these are the things that we teach you. And this is how our clients are making 6 and 7 figures every single year. And this is a business model that's in demand, right? So this is our 4-step process. We are going to master the capital, which is having the information. It's very important to have the information. Once we master the capital, we're going to build our 6-figure funding agency, right? And we're going to make money by helping people get access to money. We're selling money, right? And then we're going to turn our active income to passive income by acquiring cash flowing businesses and building wealth, our net worth. And then we start a full-fledged financial services agency offering insurance, taxes, bookkeeping, business formation, and more, right? We have a lot more services, right? And I'll just kind of give you some more. You know, we offer credit repair. We show you how to offer credit repair, and you can set this up where you don't even need to do work. AI will do all the work for you and you can get paid recurring revenue. You also can make money with digital products. So if you understand what I'm breaking down to you, you have 7 or more income streams from one business model utilizing strategic partnerships. All right, so this is what we teach. Hey, it's Ramel, the seven-figure entrepreneur and self-storage king. I got a quick question for you. What's more important to you than money? Is it time, freedom, having the space to create a better relationship with God? Is it traveling the world? Is it spending time with your kids? What is it? The reason why I ask that is because most people think that money is everything, and money is just the tool that you utilize to get the real goal, which is your freedom, your time, all the things that I just named that you name, right? And the great news is I built the #1 most affordable and wealth building community on the planet for less than $1.50 per day, where I'm going to teach you the blueprint on how to clean your credit, how to get access to funding, how to pay off debt fast, how to buy assets, underwrite these deals, all in one community for less than $1.50 a day. That community is the Mogul Elite Club. So go to moguleliteclub.com or click the link in the description and grab your spot for less than $1.50 per day. I'll see you there. I hope that this was valuable to you, and I hope you understand that there's a high demand for credit, funding, and acquisitions in this market. So no matter the economy, you can be a financial services playmaker. And if you actually want to learn more about this and you want to make 10, 15, 20,000, $100,000, $200,000 a month running this business model, there's a link below in the description, and you can actually book a call with my team for free. Right? I'll waive the fee, and you could book a call, and you can actually have a free Mogul Financial Strategy call to give you more insight on how this process works. And if you actually want us to help you strategize and mentor you, you can join our program as well. But at the very least, click the link below. Get a free Mogul Financial Game Plan and Strategy call, and you can actually start this path of becoming a financial services playmaker, making 6 and 7 figures in any market. So I hope this is valuable for you, and I'll see you on the next video. We're going to share more strategies with you on how you could actually now take it to the next level as a financial services playmaker. I'll see you in another video.